Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new pharmaceutical analysis of the stock Chugai Pharmaceuticals from Japan. At first, a quick overview about the topics we will discuss today and some short disclaimer. Please note that today I only talk about my own opinion. Before you start investing in anything, please always inform yourself and please be aware of the risk which come with investing in a company or in something else. Let's get started with our business model. The company has a biopharmaceutical innovation, so they do research and development and try to develop new drugs. They also focus on strategic partnerships, but they also have a focus on oncology. So they also have a strong emphasis on the cancer treatments. And they want to do their expansion beyond to the key markets. So yeah, they try to figure that out. And yeah, they also do much investment in research and development in the R&D. Let's dive a bit more deep into the financials. We have a quite high market cap with $65 billion, and the profit on sales, it's very high. When we look, it's always above 20, and the last years at about 30, which is really good. We have really high net assets and a very, very low total debt. That's really good, really strong. The shares outstanding are quite stable. And the PE ratio, yeah, it's changing from very high to a bit lower, and now, yeah, it's still high, but it also depends. It always depends on the chart which we have. But all in all, good or very interesting financials. Let's talk about that. Yeah, you have to think about yourself if that's good or not. Okay, let's see the dividends. Yeah, we see here a bit, yeah, small or yeah, not a big dividend history, but they have risen it quite up, yeah, every year. But yeah, we will see what the future will bring. It's not that big dividend history, so be careful. Not always what in the history happened, it's not a guarantee that it will happen in the future the same. Don't forget that. Let's talk about the risk. Yeah, we have here the patent expirations, so then the generics are coming to the market. I also talked about Sandoz. They do much generics, but also the regulatory things from a government and things like that. And of course, the other market competitors like Roche, like Novartis, like Pfizer. I already did analysis about that companies, or Johnson and Johnson, and there are also the clinical trial setbacks. So maybe the development pipeline does not work like expected, or yeah, in the last years you heard much about the supply chain disruptions, so that you don't get the raw materials and you cannot start manufacturing then. So it's also very difficult, yeah. But now we also look at the chances. So we may have a growth from innovative drugs because we invest very much in research and development. So that can be an advantage. And of course, also then the partnerships regarding R&D and so on. And also in the oncology market, there can be a growth like maybe for cancer treatments. And they can also try to make a more global expansion to new markets outside of Japan. And now kind of a bit my own opinion. Um, it's not that easy, but let's start. Yeah, they have a innovative pipeline and they have good partnerships. Yeah, and yeah, sure. On one hand, when you invest much in R&D, that can lead to good growth, you know. But yeah, I'm kind of wondering how good they will sell the products outside of Japan, because there are other big companies, they are already everywhere, you can say, or at the whole world. And yeah, I am a bit aware of that marketing competition between the different products, between the different segments. So for a more better view, you have to dive into the annual report maybe, and you also have to read more about the whole pharmaceutical sector. Because for me, it's really hard to give an opinion about that, because I think I would need much more information. So it's just a small basic analysis. Well, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching until the end. And please sub to my channel for more analysis, and uh, and yeah, leave a comment for the algorithm, you know that. And yeah, what do you think about that company? Um, do you think do have you ever heard about that company? First that, yeah. Or you only know that big like Novartis, Pfizer, and Johnson& Johnson? Tell me more what you think about maybe that Japan pharmaceutical company. Um, well, guys, thank you for your support, and I wish you a very nice day, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.